we're gonna be up close and personal today. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I took a poll on Instagram to see what you guys wanted to see next, and a lot of you guys said skincare routine, so that is what we'll be doing today. On a side note, the echo may be really bad. Obviously we're filming in my washroom, so yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Alright, just to talk a little bit about my skin, I am more so on the drier side, especially during the winter months, and I am pretty acne prone around my chin area. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there are a couple of marks here. But otherwise, I don't break out as much as I used to. I do think I finally perfected my skincare routine that I probably only get maybe acne like once every month or so during that time of the month, but otherwise I think my skin's pretty good now. We'll just get right into it. So my face doesn't have any makeup on it. Usually to remove it, I just use some sort of makeup wipe. But my cleanser that I use for the nighttime is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and it's for all skin types, so I do recommend this. I know a couple of my friends that have oily skin, they said that they love this. And I just use it with this little, I don't know what you call this. Put this much on it and I basically just go in circular motions for about a minute or so. We're done with step one. Step two would be toner. So this is the toner that I've been loving lately. It's by Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA hydrating toner. So for my dry skin, that is what I need. So I just use it on my reusable cotton pad and put that all over my face. And I just let that sink into my skin for about like a minute or so. Okay, so my camera died, just got to go replace the battery. And step three would be the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and it's for deep hydration. Put maybe about 2 drops in my hand and just press it into my skin. So I'm just gonna let that sink into my skin for another 2 minutes, and then we'll be off to moisturizing. The next step would be my eye cream. I like using the Murad Environmental Shield. It's a vitamin C dark circle corrector. So I just kind of put maybe half a drop. Just evenly disperse it. This thing is not cheap, but it does last me a really long time. And my last step would be the Drunken Elephant Cream. I'm not gonna even try and pronounce this, but I just love the way it's packaged too. It's so cool. So I just probably take out 1 pump and just put it all around my face. Once a week I apply like a face mask on my face, and the one that I love is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. And then for my eye, I use the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Eye Sleeping Mask. So I just use these two together. So now that the moisturizer is applied, that's it. I know I look like a grease ball, but that's okay because that's the way I like to go to sleep. And then when I wake up in the morning, my skin's really refreshed and like plumped. And as for my daytime routine, it's honestly not even this complicated as my nighttime routine. I just like using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. So good, so good, so good. I saw this on TikTok, and yes, that's what made me buy it, but it's so good. And then I just use the same moisturizer on my face. And don't forget SPF. So I use the Supergoop SPF 40, and this thing is amazing. I really recommend this one. It does not leave that white residue on your face. That is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys click that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.